Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about a wonderful crystal called blue moonstone, and this is one of the crystals that emits a very soothing, calming energy. We're going to get to know the crystal formations in brief. We'll get to know the main places of sourcing the crystal just in briefly, and also some historical uses and healing benefits of this wonderful blue moonstone. Now, moonstone is a stone that's a member of the feldspar family of minerals, and it's a colorless or pale milky stone, and when you turn it in the light it shows a shimmering translucent blue sheen, and it also contains layers that reflect light back onto each other, which creates a very shimmering colored effect. Now, the most effective way of enhancing this shimmering effect in moonstone, whether that's blue moonstone or natural moonstone, is to basically take it to a gem cutter, or do it yourself if you have the tools necessary, and start off by cutting and polishing the stone so that the smooth rounded domes start to show. And one of the best sources of moonstone can be found in Madagascar. It can also be found in Australia, in Brazil, the USA, and also Sri Lanka. And it was traditionally, historically used in India. It's considered sacred in India, and one of the healing uses of moonstone is that it's associated with feminine energy and the cyclical nature of the feminine rhythms as well. So it's said to bring balance. It's said to make or emit this harmony energy to the emotions, and this soothing energy to the emotions as well. It's also wonderful for marking changing feminine cycles throughout, for example, from girlhood to puberty to motherhood, and then to menopause as well. It's also great for females because it's hormone balancing, and it brings a balance to the senses as well. You can wear it with silver moonstone. Blue moonstone with silver works best, and it's also very attractive semi-precious stone as well. So moonstone and blue moonstone is amazing. I usually try to use it with meditation and have it as a ring, and one of my favorite wonderful affirmations for using moonstone is from a site called whimsyandwellness.com, and it says, "Today I choose to find the whimsy in life." And it's also said to pair very well with essential oils, especially with cypress and rose as well. And another wonderful affirmation said, "I am in tune with my emotions. I allow the mystery of life to unfold." This was everything you needed to know about blue moonstone. I hope you enjoyed today's video.